What is human cognition? Have you ever wondered how we think, learn, and interact with the world around us? The answer lies in human cognition. This term refers to the mental processes that help us perceive, process, and respond to information. These processes include attention, memory, language, problem-solving, and decision-making. Understanding human cognition is essential, especially in the fields of anthropology, where we explore how cultural and social factors shape these mental processes. Let's break this down. First, perception is how we interpret sensory information. Our cultural background can greatly influence how we see the world. For example, some cultures may focus more on colors, while others might emphasize shapes or sounds. This shows that perception is not just a biological function but also a cultural one. Next, we have memory. Memory allows us to store and retrieve information. It plays a vital role in how we learn and remember things. Cultural practices can shape what we remember and how we pass down knowledge through generations. For instance, storytelling is a common way to share history in many cultures, making it a key part of memory. Language is another fundamental aspect of human cognition. It enables us to communicate and share knowledge. Anthropologists study how language influences thought and cultural identity. Different languages can shape how we think about concepts like time or relationships. This connection between language and thought is fascinating. Problem solving is also a critical part of cognition. It involves using our mental processes to overcome obstacles. Cultural norms can influence how we approach and solve problems. For example, some cultures may encourage collaboration, while others may value individual solutions. Anthropology highlights the cultural influence on cognition. By examining how cultural norms and beliefs shape our mental processes, we can see the diversity in human thought. Different cultures may categorize objects or understand time and space in unique ways. This is evident in folk taxonomies, which are systems used by cultures to categorize objects and concepts. Cultural models also play a role. These frameworks explain how people in a culture perceive and interact with their world. They shape how individuals think about and respond to their surroundings. Understanding human cognition from an anthropological perspective has practical applications. In education, recognizing how cultural background affects learning styles can help educators tailor their teaching methods. Policymakers can also use knowledge from cognitive anthropology to create culturally sensitive policies that consider the cognitive differences among various groups. In the context of societal evolution and sociobiology, studying human cognition helps us understand how cultural and biological factors interact. This interaction is essential for grasping how societies evolve over time and how cultural practices are passed down. By looking at human cognition through the lens of anthropology, we gain a better understanding of how culture influences thought and behavior. This knowledge is vital for addressing societal challenges and promoting cultural understanding.